Wasil, please can you read this number sentence for me?
9 plus 8 equals
What's the first number?
9.
Can you point to the first number for me? Thank you. And what's the second number? What number is that?
8.
What do we do with the first number? Where do we put it?
In our heads,
And where do we put the second number?
on our fingers.
Brilliant. Can you put 9 into your head then? Tap your head. 9.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
How many are in your head?
9,
9. And then how many do we need to put onto our fingers?
8.
Can you put 8 onto your fingers then, please?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Show me 8 fingers. Let me have a look. Well done. And what number was in our head?
9,
Keep your 8 fingers up. Brilliant. And we need to count on from the number in our head. So we're going to tap our head and say 9.
10, 11, 12, 30, 40, 50, 60, 17.
So what's the answer?
17.
So when we have 9 and we add 8 more, how many do we end up with?
17.
Brilliant. Well done, Wasil. Go.
So Japney, we have a number sentence here. Can you read the number sentence for me?
9 plus 8 equals.
Equal. So we need to find our answer. What do you think we're going to be using to find our answer?
Number line.
A number line. Good. So let's find where our first number is on our number line. What's our first number?
9.
So can you point to the number 9 for me? Good. How many jumps are we going to have to do?
8.
8. Do you think you can draw the 8 jumps for me? And can you count it out as you do it? Good. So start from 9. Good.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Good girl. What number did we land on?
71,
71. Read it again. So you've got 16,
17,
17. Good girl. So what's our answer?
17.
Can you read the number sentence for me with the answer?
9 plus 8 equals 17.
Good girl.
Alright, can you read this number sentence for me, please?
8 divided by 5 equals
Brilliant. What's the first number here?
8.
And where do we need to put that number when we're taking away? On our...
Fingers.
Can you show me 8 fingers then? Should we count them to check? We've got
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
well done, you've got 8 fingers. And how many are we going to take away?
5.
Can you take away 5 fingers then? A whole hand. And how many fingers do you have left?
3.
Can you count them to check for me?
1, 2, 3.
So what happens, Summit, when we've got 8 and we take away 5? How many?
Equals 3.
We have 3 left. Well done.
You read my number sentence for me.
8 take away 5 equals
Super. What number are we taking away from?
8.
Good girl. Can you find it for me on the number line? What do you need to do?
Circle.
Circle it. Good girl. Super. Right, well done. Are our numbers, are we taking away or are we adding?
Taking away.
Taking away. So are our numbers going to get bigger or smaller?
Smaller.
Smaller, lovely. And how many are we taking away?
5.
Good girl. So can you please jump 5 for me? Take away 5 from 8. Count your jumps.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Lovely. What number did you end up on?
3.
3. So can you read the number sentence to me again with our answer?
8 take away 5 equals 3.
Well done.